Let's get western. I don't know, it's a pretty fun ride.
Yeah, it's starting to get sticky.
There's a river. Yeah, we can go around the bend, just go left. We're just trying to stay on the left side of the river.
I'm getting paid, I'm drinking whiskey, I'm getting laid. Well, I don't care who you are, just come home with me from the bar.
Won't start?
Let's see if we can get it. Roll me over. I think it's flooded.
What? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Key's on good, right? Woo!
Yeah. Take it out.
You better send it. Oh yeah. What is it?
The lake is right over the hill. Yep, we made it.
Nice.
Really safe at all, I'm calling. Your flags are burning, and all I know is where I wanna be. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, how time flies. Battles raging, and the bodies of your friends are brought back home. You're all alone, but something out there keeps you hanging on. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, so that moose in the middle, I think, I don't know if they're trying to leave that one in the back or what's going on.
Bet we'll run into a dog team out here.
You think? Well, look, there it is.
Ooh.
Whoa. Turkey slider.
Turkey slider.
Check out that wolf track. It's crazy. There's moose tracks right there, so there's like a wolf following a moose. Pretty wild.
What?
No way. Actually broke? Like what happened?
I pulled it and the knot just popped out.
What? And I've never seen that happen. Like it sucked your cord in, huh?
Sucked it in.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew something had to happen.
The pull stud for my sled. We were worried about it breaking, so we tied a new knot on it, and I just went to pull it, and the knot just came undone, and the cord just sucked into the recoil, and I just had the thing in my hand.
Well, we'll take your recoil off tonight at the cabin, but
So now we got to try to clutch start from here.
so you need my rope.
Yes.
I can't believe it. That's crazy. That's crazy.
I mean, unless you want to use this
What do you got?
cord.
I mean, no, this is like a clutch start and rope.
Okay.
This is literally like a ski-doo rope. Might as well. I knew everything was going too well.
I was just thinking like, well, make it back in time for the game, actually. Now we just can't turn my machine off.
Nope. You're driving all the way home. All right. Show us how it's done.
All right, if I remember correctly, the trick here is to like tuck it in here just a little bit. It's actually really hard to do.
Yeah. It's tricky too, because like you want it to stick enough to grab it, but you don't want it to stay stuck in there, or else it's gonna like spin your rope all up in there.
What I'm trying to do is get this. Let's go up.
Don't do anything little freaking grab in there. You ever seen that?
Well,
Like
grab.
A rope gets stuck to the clutch. When it starts up, it'll just get it all up in there and rip it apart.
Really?
It's like a belt. Because its clutch is going to be spinning like freaking 1,000 RPM as soon as you get it running. Should freaking undo your tether from your waistband. We can get a good pull on it.
Triggers up.
Keys in super good.
Okay.
Hit it. Watch out for that pull cord. Your harness. Oh, there's a nasty wind slab up there. I had my whole ski just like went under it and just stopped me.
Here we go.
Whew. It's close. Of course, the sled doesn't start every first pull too.
Okay. Come on now. This time we do it.
Get it. Yeah!
Yeah! All right. Yeah! Oh yeah.
All right, you
All
better
right.
get going. You can't cut it off.
Okay.
You can't overheat. You can't stop. You gotta get back.
Whether I'm on a mountain or on the sweet neck of a dam, I seem to find trouble, Lord, most every chance that I can. 16 to 20, oh, when I'm flying through my teeth, I'm walking on an ice bridge, baby, with nothing underneath. And I got trouble, Lord, trouble. Baby, I got trouble on my mind. Trouble, Lord, trouble. And I
All right,
planning on
we're back.
leaving you, baby, leaving you.
Did you follow us around? Yeah. All right, Matt has been capturing this experience too, but we're going into the work shed up here, and Jennifer just heated it up, and we're gonna be working on Matt's snow machine. We're gonna fix it in there. As you guys saw, the recoil rope was sucked back into the recoil, so we've got to remove the muffler, or the can, they call it in snow machine, and find that rope and pull it back out. I knew something was gonna happen. Oh, coffee. Hey! Let's get some game stretched out over here, actually. Check that out. In the trap line. Anyway, if you guys look back at my videos from 2 years ago, I think there's one called how to fix a recoil starter on a Ski-Doo snowmobile. And it's actually this exact same machine. Matt bought the machine. I think maybe even the first time we tried to use it, second time or something, the recoil died. It pulled out and wouldn't get sucked back in. So bought a new recoil and put it on. So we've done this before. But first thing you're gonna do is take off the sensor right there, and then we're gonna pull the can off here. So step one. All right, first thing we're gonna grab here is a 17mm wrench.
17.
I'm gonna get one up here.
You guys are actually organized and everything's like written. Just this nut at the top.
Yep, exactly. That's like sensor right there. I think that's the exhaust temp sensor. So that's what actually replaced my links. Like when they gave it to me in warranty, like went bad at Thompson Pass. Just throwing all these codes. Might be kind of hard to pop. Damn. They're just like this. That's what happens because there's so much condensation in there. They just freaking lock. Oh, a torch. Let's get a. What if they have a torch? I had to torch it last time. I remember. Maybe we can get it though, because it just changed it 2 years ago. I mean, it doesn't strip it. Yep.
Pretty sure I got it. Yeah.
Yep. Broke it free.
Thing's still pretty hot.
Probably is.
Riding.
All right, and once we pull that sensor out, we're gonna pull this can off. So it's gonna be a little bit tricky because we don't have an exhaust spring puller, but we have this tool right here that might. That's close to what you need right there. Just this is nowhere near long enough to do what we need to do, but we'll make it.
Okay, this piece, which is important, is going here.
All
You
right.
saw it, folks, right next to the wrench that tightens her down.
We'll leave it.
All right, let's see if we can. Oh boy.
Oh yeah. One down.
Are they all the same size?
I don't know if they're all the same in the Ski-Doos.
You good to keep them?
Yeah, just keep them like
fairly
all
organized.
Whatever.
Do you have to get it from the can side, or can you do it from
No,
either
you
side?
do it from the front side, and that thing has like a pusher on that. Yeah, that side. Get it. One more.
Easy.
No way.
Got it.
Nice. Naggle it out. That's gonna like just muscle it out of there. Break it loose. Can't believe we'll get it like a heated garage working.
I'll just hang on here all night. Do some other work on my sled.
Drink in the shed. There it goes. There she goes. You can have this thing done in like 5 minutes.
Yeah, we're not to the tricky part yet.
All right, we're getting there. Just pulled the recoil out. It's right there, and you can see it sucked the rope back up in there. Let's see if you can needle it out of there. Oh yeah.
Just frayed out. We should have burnt it.
Probably should have.
And I should have noticed that throughout the day. I should have checked on it with a fresh repair like
Have
that.
a lighter on me? Nope. Yeah. Fished it on out. Just put that freaking handle on that thing right now. Where's that handle? So he just got that pull cord through the plastics in the sled, or the knee, where your knee kind of hits the plastics. Tighten a knot on that. That way you can't pull the cord back through. Now we're gonna undo that bottom knot once we get that thing mounted. When we're right in. Lucky they had all the tools out here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, recoil's all tightened down. We're gonna get this can back in here. This is why people buy smaller cans. Those things are like 20 pounds.
Well, it just doesn't want to go that direction.
Yep. Fight you. You need to pry it over.
I got it. No.
Got it?
Almost.
Yeah. Yeah.
Won't twist. Oh. Got it!
It's like an hour.
We got it. Now if we can just bait the wire out. I get some light, please. Bam.
Really?
Did it.
There it is. Exhaust sensor done.
Oh.
All right, we're back to what caused this entire problem in the first place.
All right, so pull this through. You can see it frayed pretty good, which is probably what our problem was. So I think what we need to do is twist this up and burn it.
All right. How's that knot looking?
Sketchy. At best. I mean, how could that come out, right?
I don't know. Here we
All
go.
right, well, let's see if we did this right.
I better not rip loose. Whoa! We're good. We're good. How's that knot look right now? It's about to come out. Looking all sketchy.
That one's cinched up good.
Yeah, that's cinched up way better. I think your tail was too close last time to the knot.
The tail was too close.
I think you're solid. I just keep your eye on it every time you pull it. If it looks like it's working its way through there, then freaking tie another one. Oh yeah.
We'll get the northern lights going. Actually, I think it's starting to get cloudy.
Boy, kitty. All right, I think we're gonna head to the bar. Just got myself a nice shower. Go catch some food. I think Chrissy whipped us up something. Hey, thanks for cooking, Chrissy. Burger time. This guy put more mayonnaise than I've ever seen on a burger in my life.
Literally the tiniest like little package. I don't know what Tim's talking about.
Yeah. Whatever, you don't have to hide it. We're heading down to the Grizzly Bar. Get some drinks. Get a little live stream going here in a couple minutes.
We gotta get Timmy liquored up. He's crying about it. Tin cup, what's that?
I don't even know. I just put the whiskeys out.
Let's try that American whiskey tin cup. Let's try it.
Snow machine playing on the TV.
Man, look at that. That's the pass that we went through today when there's actually snow.
Yep.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No way.
That's the best.
Wow.
Yeah, man, like it was just bushes all the way through today. Yeah.
It's usually this time of the year, and then usually it's... Well, the thing is that it's